A boy and his big kite. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Timmy who loved flying kites. One sunny day, he found a big red kite in his backyard. It was so big that it needed 2 sticks to hold it up. Timmy ran to the park with his kite, excited to show it off. When he got there, he saw a strong gust of wind blowing leaves around. He knew it was perfect for flying his new kite. Timmy carefully let out the string and watched as the kite soared high into the sky. It flew higher than any tree or building, its tail streaming behind it like a ribbon. People walking by stopped to admire the beautiful sight. Even birds looked jealous as they flew alongside the kite. As the wind started to die down, Timmy slowly reeled in his kite until it landed softly on the grass. With a huge smile, he knew this was the best kite flying adventure ever.